Hello and welcome to the WordPress web development series. In this video I'll talk about how we can install WordPress locally on our computers. WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world, and it empowers almost 40% of the web, thus making itself an essential building block in the world of web development. There are basically two ways how we can host our website on our computer without purchasing a domain and hosting, because obviously we cannot invest in something that we are not even sure of that it's going to get us something in return. So the best way for the beginners to practice is that they host their website on their own computers rather than purchasing a hosting. The first way is to install WordPress on Xampp or Ramp servers by Localhost, which is quite a lengthy process. I'll make a video on that too, but in this video we'll go with the method by which we can install WordPress in less than 5 minutes. So before wasting any time, let's jump on the screens and go with the rest of the process. Okay, search for the term bitnami WordPress. Make sure it's the official bitnami website, not just an ad sticking at the top that'll take you somewhere else. Click it. Here we have certain options that if we want to install WordPress on Bitnami Cloud or on their containers, but as we want to install it on our computers, we'll go for the respective link. Here we have download links for all three operating systems. If you are on a Mac or Linux, you should go for the respective link. But as I am on Windows, I'll go for this one. So start the download. I'll just fast forward the video and resume when it's done. Okay, here's the file that we just downloaded. I'll open it. And select the language wizard. English is the default. Click OK. We'll go through a small setup wizard. Next. Here specify the path where you want to install WordPress. So the default path is in your Windows drive in a folder called bitnami. So let's say I'll change it. I make it bitnami WordPress. Click next. Here you'll give your username that will be initially specified on your WordPress blog or your website once the installation wizard is complete. So I'll go for my name. This email address will be your WordPress admin email, so make sure you put a valid one. You can change it later as well, but that will require a verification process, so I suggest you put a valid email here. So make your login credentials. Let's say I keep my username as admin and my I'll specify a password. Make sure you remember these credentials because you will need them while logging into your WordPress dashboard. Click next. So login can't have capital letters, make it small a. Here's your blog's name. I'll go for Royal Store. You can write whatever you want. This will be your default blog name, but you can change it in your dashboard. You can configure your mail support. The email you provided will receive promotional emails. I think you should keep it deselected. Click next, and then it will launch automatically if you check this. That's just a redirection. Open the setup wizard, click next. The installation is started. It'll take a little while. I'll resume the video once installation is complete. Here you will have to allow access to a database called MySQL. You can further Google it for its features. Here you'll have to allow access for Apache HTTP server. This will be your unique IP identifier. So the installation wizard is now complete. Keep this box checked for automatic launch of the WordPress. Click finish. Click access WordPress. Now this is your website. You have a unique identifier, a link by which you can access this site. We'll jump into designing the website in the next tutorial. Next tutorial will probably be how to install a theme, WordPress theme. Okay, now to log into your dashboard, simply append a string wp-admin at the end and click enter. Now here you will give the login credentials that you specified at the time of installation. My username was admin, and in password I'll give the password I specified then. Check the remember me to not do that again. So this is your WordPress dashboard. Now you are logged in as an admin. You can visit your site from here. uh, we'll look at each of these tabs, adding more of them, installing themes, plugins, and everything associated to WordPress in the upcoming tutorial, so stay tuned. One more thing I'd like to mention here, that even this WordPress is really light on the size, but still if you want to uninstall it, simply open your control panel. In your programs you will find, you can search it, you'll find bitnami WordPress. You can uninstall it. That will be all for this tutorial. So if anyone has any questions or faces any difficulty, you can leave a message in the comment section, or you can ping me up directly on my email or my personal contact. I'll try to answer the questions. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon next to it to receive the notification for the latest videos. See you in the next video.